Hello everyone, thank you for watching our bouquet series. On our first video, I just show you the material of making the bouquet. I show you the opinion about the advantage, the shortage of the material. I will paste the link on the information field below this video. If you are interested, you can find the link and watching that video. And on this tutorial, I will show you my creative of making the bouquet with this material. The bouquet holder, our ball frame. I will show you the different size, how to make the different size of the bouquet. So you can using that material to make the bridal bouquet and the bridesmaid bouquet. And I will show you the effect with the effect after we put on the different size, the large size and small size of bouquet on this bouquet skirt. What's that? I call it bouquet skirt. And I will also show you the different effect after I put the bouquet on different skirt. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, first of all, we will take our ball frame. We have different size of the ball frame. If you are interested, you can link to my blog for the size and the price. Very simple. Just tie them. To the plastic holder. To the bouquet holder. Okay, look at this. I just tied 4 points of the ball frame and cut off the rest of the string. Don't worry, it's very sturdy. And then for the other half ball frame, look at this. If you want to know how the more about our ball frame and how to make the flower ball with our ball frame, you can check my old video. I will paste the link on below information field. But please don't skip the advertisement as supporting. So you can see the connecting spine hole here, so we can make the ball very sturdy. Okay, in fact, it's very sturdy, better than using the hot glue. If you want it much more sturdy, you can tie with the string. That will be perfect. But since it's sturdy enough, and I just make the sample to show you my concept, so I don't tie it. You can tie them together when you make the bouquet. It's not trouble, very easy, sturdy. And then let's make the larger one. Look at this. If the spine is preventing the bouquet, you can cut off the spine. and then tie it off. But anyway, since I just making the sample, so it's okay for me. Okay then, so we got two sides of the bouquet holder. The larger one for the bride and the small one for the bridesmaid. Okay, the next step very simple. Just put on the flowers, will be okay. I have a tutorial to show you how to make the flower ball with this ball frame. So if you are interested, you can check the video. Find the link on below information field. Just insert the flower on the ball frame will be okay. The advantage of using this ball frame to make the bouquet is because we are not professional, so we cannot arrange the flower by once. Maybe this color and not good. Arrange the flowers. We will make several tries to make the color go well with each other. If you're using the foam ball, you need to try several times, so the foam ball will be damaged, so cannot hold the flower very well. But using this ball frame, you can try many times and anytime until you satisfy. Okay, let's make the bouquet with the flower. And before that, I must tell you, we don't have to put all the flower to cover all the ball frame. Remember, this ball frame is made by 2 hard ball, so the flower just cover from the top to this place will be okay. This is the hard ball, just cover to this line will be okay. From this line to this line, this area, just put the flower on this area will be okay. This is the hard ball, and I will put the flower on this area. Okay then, I will show you after I put on all the flowers. Okay, completed. Can you see the difference? This is the smaller one and this is larger one. This bouquet is made with 7 cm ball frame, and this made with 9 cm ball frame. Since the ball frame just 2 cm difference, so maybe the size difference is not much obviously. If you want to make it larger or smaller, you can use larger ball frame or smaller ball frame. We have different ball frame. Okay, can you see the size difference? And then look at this bouquet. This size of bouquet made by this 7 cm ball frame. Okay, and the size is about 20 cm. 8 inch about. If you want a smaller bouquet, you can use our 5 cm ball frame or 3 cm ball frame. Since they already have a hole in the ball frames, you just find a stick, put it on, and apply a lot of glue. Use your glue gun, apply a lot of hot glue to fix it on the ball frame, and insert with the flower will be okay. This is 1-piece ball frame. Okay, so you can make a smaller bouquet. On this bouquet skirt, this is the same bouquet skirt. Let's check the effect. Very simple. Just put it. It will lock it. Look at this. This girl's no support here. This is a small size skirt. Okay. Okay, let's see the effect. After we put on the bouquet, okay. This small skirt fits the smaller bouquet very well. It's very nice. And look at this larger bouquet. It's a little bit smaller than the bouquet, so it's okay, but we need the larger skirt. So I will put the bouquet on different type of the larger bouquet. This kind of bouquet no support below, but this kind of bouquet there are some support here. So this kind of skirt can fit larger bouquet much more better. Okay, I will show you after I put on the different skirts. Okay, let's check the effect after I change the bouquet skirt. In fact, I rearrange the flower. This kind of material can allow you to change your arrange until satisfied. And after you complete your design, just apply on some hot glue. Use the glue gun, some hot glue on every of the flower head, so you will got a very sturdy bouquet. And look at this smaller one. Okay, then let's change this one. Okay, let's see the effect after we change this satin skirt. Okay. It's hard to show you. I'm not good at photography. Okay. Then let's change to other skirt. This skirt also have some supporting here, suitable for larger bouquet. Okay, look at this. Okay, I changed this skirt like this. Okay, this is today's tutorial. I just show you the different effect about putting on different skirt. If you want to know the size of the skirt and the price, you can link to my blog and send me message for the code if you want to buy. You can find the link from the information field below this video. For the next video, I will show you try to decorate this holder because I found a lot of people dislike the plastic, so I will wrap it with ribbon. And I also, since this is the largest size of the skirt, if you want to make a larger bouquet, the skirt will be not large enough. So I will show you how to make the larger skirt with ribbon. That is why we need this support skirt, because this support can well help to hold up the ribbon. Okay, see you on next tutorial. Please don't skip the advertisement. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.